My food adventure continues as I try my first ever Kakigori, unlike anything I've ever had. I also managed to find the best dipping noodles in Tokyo. On our way out from Ueno Park, we happen to stumble across a Yakisoba truck. About to have some Yakisoba. Looks so good. I've heard great things about Yakisoba, so I was so excited for this. Yakisobas. We're in Ueno. Japan's living in 2050. Itadakimasu. A little bit of ginger in there. It's bouncy, has a bite to it. And if you're familiar with just having ramen, it has that taste to it, that flavor. Like there's so much flavor packed in this fried noodle. It's like Japan's chow mein. Umai.
Very yummy.
They look samurai style.
Yeah, I know.
The reflection, you can't really see much, but some samurai gear. That's what's cool about walking around here. You always see something new. So we're gonna hit up this famous shaved ice spot, and we're pretty early to it, which means we don't have to wait in a crazy line. The woman who started it apparently worked in a Michelin star restaurant and now has found success in starting her own, specializing in shaved ice. I'm definitely in the mood for something refreshing.
Yeah.
There's literally nobody in line right now, so we don't play with being early. I'm here in Shinjuku at Azuki to Kouri. They're famous for their kakigori, or shaved ice, and we're about to give it a try. Azuki to Kouri, or red beans and ice, is a restaurant created by Miho Horio. She is known for transforming and elevating kakigori to a level that could rival ice cream parfaits here in Japan. Okay, so we didn't have reservations, so we have to sit in this little corner, but that's okay. They gave us the menu. Right now they have Azuki and meringue, strawberry shibost, matcha, and Azuki meringue. I might get that one. That one sounds good. Fukinoto and white cacao. I don't know about a chocolate flavor right now. Sakura. So I don't know. It's between the Azuki meringue, matcha, or sakura.
Thank you. It smells delish.
Looks delicious. And that part. Let us know how it is. It's like a creme brulee custard. I'm trying the hers. That strawberry sauce tastes fresh, like real strawberries. It is refreshing.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. So refreshing. It's like a frozen green tea. Azuki. Yes. It's not too sweet. It's like the same experience of eating ice cream, much lighter. Mine was a green tea one, which I love green tea. So even when it was like a bit melted, because it melts fast, you have to eat this so fast. At the end of it, you're left with ice cold tea. Okay, the price is a little bit up there. It's a little bit up there. But you know what was crazy? Every person that had reservation, they ordered two.
They ordered two.
So back to back, they ate two different flavors, and they're around $25 each. So they're spending like $50 on their Kakigori experience. Which, yeah, they must be big Kakigori fans. Oh, look at these flowers. Japan has very beautiful flowers.
Yeah.
The Azuki green tea one, I recommend getting that one, is always there. So, get it? Yeah,
And the creme brulee was delicious.
Kakigori is definitely something when you want to feel refreshed. I think it's an amazing dessert. While you guys are in Japan, definitely check out Azuki to Kouri. Japan really is a food lover's dream, and this Kakigori experience had me realizing I've been missing out on a lot of different types of food. And just when I thought I've tried it all, this next restaurant ended up being the best dipping ramen I've ever had. Azuki. はい。
濃厚つけ麺肉増しの大盛りです。ラーメンもうちょっとお待ちください。
ありがとうございます。
一名様どうぞ。
It's crazy. That's Suki man. The meat they had, it was so delicious. Like the flavors of the pork. Good thing I got 2 of those. I am completely full, and I think that's the best ramen I've had thus far. I think it was better than Funji. That spot was definitely better than Funji, and Funji gets a lot of hype in Shinjuku, but for me, this Sukimen was really delicious.